Modern styling, premium components, and the latest technology combine to ensure the 701 Supermoto is a machine like no other. Designed to bring the pure spirit of supermoto riding to the streets, the performance of the most powerful, single-cylinder model can be harnessed and refined using an extensive list of electronic rider aids, complete with a perfectly balanced chassis. Engine. The proven LC4 engine is compliant with the latest emission standards and retains its linear and controllable power delivery. Single overhead camshaft, SOHC, 4-valve cylinder head features 42 mm intake valves and 34 mm exhaust valve. Redesigned crankcases reduce drag, which plays a vital role in enabling the single-cylinder engine to create more torque and peak power than the previous generation. The 6-speed gearbox is equipped with an optional Quickshifter Plus that allows all gear changes to be made without using the clutch. Exhaust. The latest generation 701 Supermoto is equipped with an improved exhaust system. Updated design allows riders to replace the silencer with one from the technical accessories range quickly and easily for enhanced performance. Frame. The lightweight chromium molybdenum steel trellis frame is updated to be slightly stiffer, without compromising its renowned handling characteristics. Subframe. The self-supporting rear subframe, with its integrated 3.4-gallon, 13-liter fuel tank, is perfectly positioned for optimal weight distribution. The WP Apex front forks offer 224 mm of wheel travel and are specifically engineered for riding supermoto, fine-tuned with 30 clicks. The WP Apex rear shock offers adjustable compression and rebound settings for a customized setup, connected to a linkage system for a high level of feedback from the asphalt. Ride-by-wire throttle. The Cayenne electronic fuel injection system features a 50 mm throttle body with no mechanical linkage to the throttle grip. Airbox. The redesigned airbox features an intake snorkel for improved airflow into the engine. Brakes. The latest ABS technology from Bosch, in combination with a 4-piston, floating Brembo caliper and 320 mm disc on the front, and a single-piston Brembo caliper and 240 mm disc on the rear. Bodywork. Updated graphics are applied to the smoother and sleeker bodywork, which has been ergonomically designed to connect the rider to the motorcycle and ensure unrestricted movement. The riding experience is further enhanced by the extended seat, which reaches over the radiator shrouds for improved grip and control through tighter corners. At the front, a headlight unit houses LED bulbs to illuminate the way in all low-light situations.